It took just 36 hours for normal college students to become sadistic monsters. In 1971, psychologist Philip Zimbardo wanted to answer one question: what happens when you give ordinary people absolute power over others? He converted the basement of Standford University into a fake prison. Then he recruited 24 young men, all mentally healthy, all screened for stability. A coin flip decided their fate. Heads: you're a guard. Tails: you're a prisoner. It was supposed to last 2 weeks. On the first night, guards woke prisoners at 2 a.m. for counts, forced them to do push-ups, stripped them of their names and gave them numbers instead. By day 2, the prisoners rebelled. They barricaded their cells with mattresses. The guards crushed it. They blasted fire extinguishers into the cells, forced prisoners to sleep naked on concrete, made them clean toilets with their bare hands. And here's the disturbing part: nobody told them to do this. There was no script, no instructions to be cruel. The guards invented the torture themselves. One guard, nicknamed John Wayne by the others, created a persona so sadistic that prisoners broke down sobbing. One prisoner had a complete mental breakdown after just 36 hours and had to be released. But the worst part wasn't the guards. It was Zimbardo himself. He became so absorbed in his role as prison superintendent that he forgot he was running an experiment. When a colleague visited and said, "What you're doing to those boys is terrible," Zimbardo's first thought wasn't concern. It was annoyance. The experiment was shut down after just 6 days, out of a planned 14. Not because Zimbardo stopped it, but because a graduate student, Christina Maslach, threatened to end their relationship if he didn't. One woman's conscience was the only thing standing between those students and 2 more weeks of psychological destruction. 24 normal people, 6 days. And the only thing that separated the monsters from the victims was a coin flip. What does that say about you? Dark Mind Files. Subscribe for more.